do drop down when open, so please be mindful of those around.
Channel. It is Eunique Roielle, and we're about to unpack this luggage. So I am in Jamaica right now. I'm in Montego Bay, and I'm going to unpack my luggage. I do like to take everything out of my suitcase when I'm on vacation so that I can just see everything that I brought and like piece the outfits together how I had in my mind when I packed them when I get here, so I'm not forgetting any accessories or shoes or, you know, all of the above. So let's unpack this suitcase together. All right, first thing we have is a green and blue swimsuit with a skirt. I bought a blue two-piece bikini. I plan on wearing it underneath this outfit because it kind of ties and it's an opening, and then we have these little shorts to go with it. A little dress for the club, because in the club we all friends. I bought this little yellow piece, two-piece set. This is also like a dinner I bought this two-piece set in this cute butter yellow color. This is like a dinner, or yeah, like an elegant dinner outfit. Long fitted pink dress. Casual little t-shirt, and it says "Be still and know," Psalms 46:10, with these little striped pink shorts to match. I brought a little halter dress, a little back out halter dress in pink as well. This is a black cover up for black swimsuit. I brought this corset top, which I could have actually left at home because I couldn't find the bottoms that went with it. So that was for like when we go to the club in the town. So in Jamaica where we're staying, there is a club on a resort, and so I have some resort club options, and then I had like an option for the club that's in town where like locals will be and stuff like that. So I was trying to put together that it's more like street urban, but I couldn't find the bottoms, so I think I accidentally packed it. I brought two pairs of sandals. I brought my tripod. This is a bag of toiletries. This bag is mesh, so I've just double bagged it so nothing spilled out. We have the essentials, toothpaste, deodorant, an eyeshadow palette, a bronzer palette, body wash, lotion, face wash, etc., etc. I brought a little purse. I brought these heels. To go with either the blue dress or the pink dress, the blue club dress, or the pink, the long, like bodycon. No, it's not really bodycon, but the long tight pink dress, or even the short halter dress. This would be cute with these little silver heels with the little diamond crystals on them. So I brought these shoes. The heel is comfortable, a comfortable length, so I can wear these all night. I brought another little pink two-piece bikini and a little cover up to go with it. I brought a green two-piece bikini, and I plan on wearing it underneath this orange dress with the fringe. It is also another halter, so that'll be cute with the green. And then I just brought some like casual shorts in case I want to go to the gym and work out. So that is all for the clothes that I brought. But I'm gonna show you guys my hair accessories because I got some cute things.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. I'm a dog, I'm a man. I can smoke already, so hard in my blood, I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. I'm a dog, I'm a man. No crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 live on pants size, cause I'm trying to break it in. New condo, second name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling.
Hey guys, so we are all dressed for dinner, but we're trying to go to the steakhouse, but they are completely booked with reservations. So the guy told us to come back in 30 minutes to see if there's any cancellations, and maybe he can get us in, but so we're just gonna wait. We're in a lobby area. We'll probably maybe go to the bar in a minute. They just went to the men's room, so I'm just hanging out waiting on him. And yeah, so this is our first day in Jamaica.
My back's on the wall. Come pull me.
All right, so this is the next day. This was our excursion day, and we did some ATVing, and then we did a river raft activity where we got the little massages And then we also went to a cute little like restaurant, like a little beachfront restaurant. And then we went to Rick's Cafe. So I did a terrible job recording because I was just enjoying the moment. So these are just some clips from when we went on our excursions.
They call me Megatron, Shorty's a Megacon. It ain't about the race either, it's the marathon. I put the squeeze on him, throw up the beast on him. That dirt clapping on the dick, Hercules on him. My name is Betty Betty, I keep it tight for Zaddy. He keep it coming, he ain't even dropped the Addy. Trunk in the front, I need a blunt. I own my own Moscato, we getting drunk.
Taking notes off my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room for the niggas. What you following me for? Seen no fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? It's 'cause we run like a seafall.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I feel like I miss him, he just came out of prison. He talking, but they ain't got a pot to piss in. My name is Nikki M, I'm in a sticky Benz. That mean it's candy apple red, I'm Barbie, this was Ken. That is a Fendi fact, I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is custom made, Donatella sent me that.
The blue dress. I had a pink dress I was gonna wear, but I think Honey is wearing blue, so I figured I'd match him. I'm like, great, now I can put on this pink eyeshadow, but I mean, it doesn't matter. I do like this dress. I do have on this bra that has a clear straps because I need a bra, guys. I just have to have a bra. Boobs are 34 double D, so but I like the dress. It's really cute. It's giving like Barbie. These are the shoes I'm wearing. Super comfortable, y'all. These are my wedding shoes. I mean, I never thought I would wear these again, but like silver strappy shoes. Cute, right? So let's finish getting ready because we're about to go to dinner and then probably hang out at the bar for a little bit. I think they're doing like some type of show tonight. I don't know what kind of show. They have like live entertainment and stuff like that. The other day it was like a Michael Jackson theme type of show, performance or whatever. So I don't know what they have for today. But y'all, yesterday we went ATV riding. We went on a little river raft where they like put the limestone massage on your legs or whatever. It was this girl there, y'all. That man was, he was getting, she got a full body massage. I'm not mad, sister. Okay. But when we did those ATV riding, y'all, and through the jungle, those mosquitoes tore me up. I don't know if y'all can see, but I have a huge mosquito bite here. Mosquito bite here, ankle. This one is like a little planet sticking out of my thigh. I turn around. Y'all, can y'all see this? Please, tell me y'all can see these. I don't have no words. No words. None. But it was really fun. I will say that. The ATVs, ever since Javar told me that his boss wife flipped her ATV over and it landed on her, she crushed her ribs and she had to get like, I might be making up this last part about getting like lifted by a helicopter to the hospital. I might be making that part up, but she was in the hospital on vacation because she flipped her ATV. Ever since then, I've been scared. And I have ridden ATVs at least 4 or 5 times before he told me this story. And now I'm terrified to go down like steep hills because I'm thinking like it's steep and we're gonna flip over, vacation over. But the ATV ride and the ATV tour instructor was very, he was good, he was patient. It was just me and Javar, it was like a private tour. So he had all day to get me down those steep hills. And we did it. I might cry doing it, but I'm gonna do it though. So that was really fun. The river rafting was also very fun. If I have some footage of those things, maybe it'll go in this video, but this is like, it may not. You might have to watch the video before or after this for the details, because this video getting long. Now this here. I went to the pool earlier. I went to the beach earlier. So I don't really know what to do with this hair. I have these 2 earrings. These 2 clips. It's like a little, I don't know which one I'm gonna give. And then I also have these little clippies for the hair. So I could literally, so I'm gonna clip it up, so I'm gonna wear it down. It don't look bad down, actually. I might just wear it down. Y'all, I'm not 100% satisfied with these braids. And I like the lady, the company that I went to. I went to an African braiding shop. I just really like her. So I'm not gonna bash them or put them out there, but just know I'm not satisfied. I have 2 places I go to in Chicago where I get my braids done. And this time I feel like she played. Like, this is my birthday, girl. I feel like she played a little bit. Do I like it like this? Oh, maybe not. Let's try this. Cute, y'all. This is cute. I don't know. There's something about the braids or something, like, I don't know. Should I put that? And like clip it. That could be cute. And like pull some out. What y'all think? The clips is little. Hold on, y'all. Think about this. I wish y'all could tell me. Like, I feel like I need to have something coming down. Like, let's pull out some of the boho. Yeah, let's pull out some boho. Now see. What you think? This is the clips. So I have these little earrings. These are the options for the earrings. The crab, which like hello, or these cute little like, you know, just split. It's getting a crab. It's getting crab. Let's put this on.
My back's on the wall. Come pull me close to you. Rock me deep into the morning. 'Cause by sunrise I'll be gone. I wanna be leaving with someone. I'll be for a good time, and you know we both want it.
When they're ready for give me the thing, they're ready for really get to life. Tell me all about the things where you were fantasize.